And some people were recently impacted by a card skimming device in Dundalk. It was discovered at the MECU ATM in the 7200 block of Holabird Avenue. The credit union is encouraging its members to follow some ATM safety tips. First, always check your surroundings before using any machine. Cover the keypad when entering your PIN number. Check for any loose items on the ATM or anything that you think feels out of place or not like on other ATMs. And if your card cannot go into the card dip smoothly, do not perform a transaction. Now, they're telling us that no personal information like names, addresses, or social security numbers have been compromised. MECU says any losses, though, will be fully reimbursed.